Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com here finally with my birthday haul. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but I'm so excited for today's video because I have some really special pieces to show you and a couple of things you might be surprised to hear. Alright, we've got a lot to cover, so let's get started. The first item I'm going to share with you is the item that I'm the most excited about, and that is this gorgeous necklace from Angara. Angara is today's sponsor, and I'm so excited to tell you about this incredible jewelry company. Angara is a US-based online fine jewelry brand known for its handcrafted, made-to-order pieces featuring natural colored gemstones, high-quality diamonds, and pearls. When Angara reached out to me with this opportunity to work together, I went on their website and absolutely fell in love. There are so many beautiful designs there that you can customize to make it your own. For example, I've been wanting a white diamond cross for a very long time, so I went on their website and searched for white diamond crosses, and I found this beautiful option. This is a prong set diamond budded cross pendant, and I was able to pick out the quality and carat size that best fit what I was looking for. It comes in 14 karat white gold with a carat weight of 1/3 carat total. It's also available in lab diamonds. Classic and elegant, this diamond budded cross pendant is a traditional symbol of faith. As I mentioned, I've been wanting to add a white diamond cross to my collection, and this one was absolutely perfect. Again, I was able to pick the design, pick the quality, and the carat size. I could have also gone lab grown. I could have also gone 18 karat or even platinum for this design. And that is one of the things that I really love about Angara, and what makes them so unique is that you can find a design that speaks to you and then customize it so that it fits your style and your budget. I wanted a white diamond cross that I could easily wear on its own or that I could layer, and so that is why this one is the perfect cross for me. And just look how it dazzles and pops against the black of my sweater. It's just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I highly recommend that you check out Angara, and if you do decide to buy something, use my code Jessica12 to get 12% off, plus a free jewelry gift with your purchase. Angara will definitely be a go-to for me when I'm looking for jewelry gifts because of their presentation. It's all just so luxurious and special. I mean, check out the box that it came in. Beautiful, gorgeous. I mean, anyone opening this as a gift would be so impressed. Christmas, Valentine's Day, anniversary gifts, Angara pieces make excellent gifts. If you want to take a closer look at this piece, I will link to it down in the description box below. A huge thank you to Angara for sponsoring today's video. Moving on to clothing, I got myself a couple of cashmere pieces, and the first one I'm going to show you is this turtleneck. This is a cashmere turtleneck from Quince. It is so soft, so warm, so nice to the touch. It feels incredible. I love Quince. They are now my go-to when I need cashmere pieces because their items have really great quality, but they're also super affordable for cashmere. This Mongolian cashmere turtleneck sweater has a retail value of $189, but I purchased it for just $89.90. This comes in multiple colors, but you know me, I love black, so I went with the black. The second piece I purchased is this beautiful Mongolian cashmere crew neck top from Quince. This one has a retail value of $148. However, I paid only $50 for this amazing, lightweight, and super soft, incredible quality top. This one comes in 14 different colors, but you know me, I went with the black. Now for some shoes, I bought these incredible beaded Chanel loafers. I got them on The RealReal for a really good deal. As you guys know, I have been wanting to add loafers to my shoe collection for a while. I got this really incredible, simple black suede loafers from Quince, but I wanted something that was just a little extra jazzy, a little extra special, and this one, yeah. This one checked all the boxes. I've discovered that I have a thing for beaded anything. Beaded bags and now beaded shoes. And these are just so beautiful. I wore them at an event recently and I've got so many compliments just at that one event. And I didn't think people would notice it because I was wearing slacks. I was wearing sort of long slacks, but when your toes peek out, and I think it just catches the light really well, and so I got a bunch of compliments on it. The heel is chunky and low, which is perfect for me. This is something that I can wear all day. This is something that I can walk around New York City in and feel completely comfortable in, but I just love the beading. It's so special. And then you have the white CCs as well. Yeah, they're just super lovely. Yeah, I love these, and I got them in great condition. You could tell that the person who owned this before me did not wear them a ton because they're in such great condition. and I just can't believe I got such a great deal on them. But yeah, I love these. The next item is from Louis Vuitton, and I purchased the Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami Passport cover. This is from their recent 20th anniversary collection that came out in the beginning of the year. This is one of the items that I really wanted but could not get my hands on it. And for a while there, I really thought that I was gonna have to buy it in the resale market, but you guys know they marked those things up so much. So I held off. Thankfully I did. I held off on buying it. And shout out to Cindy from A Heated Mess. She posted on her Instagram stories that she had a sales associate that she knew who had one of these, and so I immediately reached out to them and managed to get it. And I'm so happy because I feel like I am now almost complete in all the little SLGs that I wanted from this collection. You guys know that the multicolor monogram is my favorite monogram in Louis Vuitton history. It's my favorite. I think most of my SLGs, if not all of my SLGs, are from that collection, both the vintage 20 years ago and the new ones. So I'm so happy that I was able to add this, and I got it for retail price. Didn't have to pay a ton for it, but just love it. I'm so happy. So now I officially have 4 Louis Vuitton passports, which is overkill. It is, but there are 5 members in my family, so I feel like once I have one for each of us, then I'm done. I'm done. Promise. Yeah, but I'm so happy that I got this. And again, shout out to Cindy from A Heated Mess. Now for some beauty, the first thing I'm going to share with you is this new perfume. This is the YSL Libre. Sorry, I'm not a French speaker, but I do my best. Now, it's still in the packaging because I still have the travel fragrance. I have the travel fragrance, but it's low, and so I thought, you know what, it's my birthday, perfect opportunity to buy myself a larger version of that perfume because I really do love it. It's a popular, bold floral perfume for women, celebrating freedom with notes of French lavender, Moroccan orange blossom, musk, and vanilla, housed in a distinctive couture bottle with a golden Cassandra logo, and comes in various intensities, designed for confident individuals and often described as long-lasting and statement-making. The fragrance family is warm floral. Keynotes include French lavender essence, Moroccan orange blossom, musk accord, and vanilla extract. The scent profile is a mix of floral and spicy warm notes, known for combining masculine lavender with feminine florals. So like I said, I do enjoy this fragrance a lot, and because I'm running low on my little travel bottle, I thought it was time. The next beauty item is something a little different. I don't think I've shared anything like this quite before, but it is a You Like, here we go, a You Like IPL hair removal device. It's brand new. I have not opened it up because my plan is to go get one of those Korean scrubs somewhere in the city where they like really scrub you down, get you squeaky clean, and then I will do the process of using the device. I get the occasional ingrown hair, and so that is what annoys me the most about shaving. And so I thought this was on sale because of the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale things. Plus I got a gift card for my birthday from a family member, and so I put it towards this purchase. So I'm really excited to use this. I'll take you with me. Hopefully I can do a vlog of me going to one of these Korean spas. I don't know how much I'll be able to film, but I will share the process of what my experience was like getting the scrub and then coming and using this for the first time. If any of you have used You Like before or any of these IPL devices, let me know. If you have any tips, let me know down in the comment section below. So for my birthday, I wanted to upgrade my tech devices in a couple of ways. So I have a new MacBook Pro that I purchased. I think I purchased it last year, so I didn't need a new computer. My iPad is an iPad Pro that I got a couple of years ago, but works great, so I don't need an upgrade on that. I got a new iPhone, so that is definitely one of the things that I did for myself for my birthday. I got the new iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I'm really excited to share like how I'm using it and how I'm customizing it. So this is the only device that I purchased that's brand new that I bought for my birthday. I have this case that I bought on Amazon. Now I'm not the biggest fan of the case. I just sort of needed something real quickly. I'm thinking about getting something from another brand, but if I do that, or if and when I do that, I'll share it for sure on my channel. But I got this simple case. It's sort of like diamond and black diamond glitter on the background. It just spoke to me. I have been going with white and golds for a lot of my accessories for a long time, but I think I'm bringing it back home to who I am, to who I've always been, and my love of black. So I got this black case. It's also helpful when it comes to like having your things look the best, because white shows a lot of wear and tear, obviously, and black doesn't as much. I dropped this within the first day of having it. You can see that from my MagSafe ring here. It's all scraped up already, but thankfully this case really worked out for me because nothing happened to the actual phone itself, so I'm really happy about that. I will link to this case in the description box below in case you're interested. For my other devices, my MacBook Pro, I got a new case for it, and I was searching for like chic, black, designer look, you know, fancy cases, and I searched and searched and searched and searched, and I finally found one that spoke to me, and I was like, this is it, this is it. And it's this beautiful faux croc case that I got. I just think it looks really chic and really, really cool. I love this design. I also love that it doesn't have any branding on it, because that can be annoying sometimes. A lot of these things have like big, bold branding, the name of the company in gold or something like that, but this is just super clean and doesn't have any of that, which I really, really love and appreciate. But I just love this case. I think it looks really cool. I think it looks much more expensive than what it actually cost me. I think this was just under $25 on Amazon. Again, I will link to it down in the description box below, but yeah, I love it. And then I also got myself a really nice case for my MacBook Pro. This was not as affordable as the Amazon finds, but I thought, you know what? This is a really good device. I want to make it nice. I'm going to make it nice. I want it protected, but also look nice and chic and more my style. And I think I found it with this one, and I just absolutely love it. I think it looks so, so cool. I think it looks clean and upscale, and looks like it's much more expensive than what it actually is. It's not inexpensive, but for me, it was worth it. You know, my birthday is at the end of November, and usually November, December, it's when I really start to think about my goals for the following year. And one of the things that I've decided is that I really need to get this office together. My office is a mess. I'm not gonna show you, just trust me when I tell you it is a mess. The way I keep looking over there is because I'm looking at my desk, and yeah, it's a mess. But I don't wanna start the year off that way. So I'm buying a couple of things to help me organize my office and make my access to things a lot easier and better. I mentioned when I reorganized my bookshelves here that the reason that I brought all of my shoes into this room and have them here on display is because I was not switching my shoes as often as I would like. My ADHD brain, if I don't see it, then it doesn't exist. I completely forget about it. And so that's why I brought them all in here. I have them all displayed so that when I'm getting dressed, I'm like, oh yeah, I should wear that. Or, ooh, I haven't worn those in a while. Let me pick those out, etc., etc. So I have a couple of boots that I brought out, and to help me organize, I bought IKEA extensions just to help me bring in more of my shoes and then also help me display my boots as well. So that is the only home purchase that I've made for my birthday. This was like a birthday gift to myself, helping me organize my office. So that is the first thing that I am doing, or that I did to help me with that goal in mind. I am thinking about a couple of more purchases to help me organize my desk specifically, but I'll share those as I go along. And last but not least, I mentioned in the beginning of this video that this haul would probably be or sound different than some of my previous hauls, and that is because a lot of those previous hauls tend to be super product heavy. So I'm just showing you, this is the thing that I got, this is the piece of jewelry, the piece of clothing, the shoes, etc. And while there is some of that here, there's not as much as there used to be, I think, because I'm sort of changing the ways that I look at luxury and things and owning things specifically. I purged so much of my closets because I just felt overwhelmed with the amount of stuff that I had, the stuff that I didn't use, the stuff that still had tags on but didn't fit me anymore, or just wasn't serving me, or yeah, just my style changed. So that thing that I was into, I'm not into it anymore, and just learning to let go of things. And so that is why I don't have a ton of things in this video, but one of the things that I am doing for myself is gifting myself experiences. And that's something that I've been doing for a couple of months now. So one day out of the month, I try to do something for myself, whether that is going to a live event, a you know, seeing one of my friends on their book tours, etc., etc. So that is what I'm including now. So for my birthday, I bought myself tickets to two things. To the Brandi Carlile concert. She's coming to Madison Square Garden in February, so I bought myself tickets to that. I love Brandi Carlile. I love her so, so much. I always say that if I could have the voice of any person, she was definitely one of my top 3 people. I love her voice so much, and I haven't seen her in person. I haven't seen her live in a while, so I'm really, really excited to see her. And I'm really excited about that. And then the other ticket that I bought myself is for Mana at Barclays Center. I love Mana. Mana is my favorite Spanish rock band of all time. One of my favorite musical acts, period. And I love them so much. So they're doing a tour. I love their music, and so I'm taking myself out to go see Mana, and I'm really, really, really excited about that. Cannot wait. But yeah, that's it. That is everything that I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you so, so much. First of all, thank you for the birthday wishes that I got across social media. Thank you so, so much for all your love and support. I really have been feeling your love and support, especially the last couple of years that have been quite difficult for me, but you guys are always there, sharing a kind word, you know, leaving me a comment on my video, and I really, really appreciate that. So I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. So thank you so much. Let me know what was your favorite thing that I featured in today's video. Let me know if you check out Angara also, because again, highly recommend. This is a classic piece, but you can find classic pieces. You can find more modern pieces, more trendy pieces. I will be talking about them a lot more on my channel, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, definitely check them out. And again, if anything catches your eye, make sure you use my code Jessica12 to get 12% off, plus a free jewelry gift with your purchase. Thank you so, so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if I introduced you to a new product, a new brand, or if I just entertained you for a couple of minutes, please give this video a like. It really helps me out here on YouTube. It just lets the algorithm know that my videos are good and worth watching, and it'll push it out to more viewers. If you did enjoy this video, then you might want to check out this one. Thank you again for watching. Stay tuned.